Alright, this is a 2024 Ram 1500. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life on this. On the dashboard it just says press the OK button to reset it. Well, if you press OK and hold it, it comes up and tells you the engine must be off, put the ignition in run. Now in order to do that, when you shut off the vehicle, you don't put your foot on the brake. You press the ignition button 2 times. Once is accessory, second time's the run position. Now when you do that, you come back up here and all of a sudden it says push brake to start. Well, all you have to do is hit the down on your life or on your switch. It brings that back up, press and hold OK. It goes back to 100%. Now this does not always work. Sometimes when you start the engine over again the next time, it'll come up and still say like 13-14% life, whatever you had wrong with it in the first place, or whatever it was set at. Sometimes it holds for a day, sometimes it holds for a week. If that does not work, shut your engine off. Same thing with the ignition in the off position, turn it to run, press the gas pedal all the way down 3 times. 1, 2, 3, all the way to the floor, and turn the ignition off. That'll reset the oil life, and it should stay off by doing it that way if it didn't stay off the other way. Again, sometimes the OK button works, sometimes it doesn't. If you have a problem with it, ignition off, turn it to run, step on the gas pedal 3 times, should be good to go.